Let's make zucchini apple fritters. First, wash your hands using warm running water and soap for at least 20 seconds. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Let's gather the ingredients. You'll need 1 medium zucchini washed and grated, 1 apple washed, peeled, and grated, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1 egg slightly beaten, 1/4 cup of flour, and non-stick cooking spray. Make sure and wash all your produce in cool running water. Grate the zucchini and the apple. Just make sure you don't grate the apple core. Now squeeze the grated zucchini dry using paper towels. Combine the grated zucchini and the apple in a bowl. Add in the cinnamon, the beaten egg, and your flour. Mix well. Lightly coat a baking sheet with non-stick cooking spray. Scoop the mixture with a 1/4 cup measure to make 6 round, even fritters and place them on the baking sheet. Now bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown on the edges and cooked through. Don't they look tasty? Let them cool slightly and place in a serving dish. Enjoy as a side with your